Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to lock or guard your profile in Facebook. Let's begin. So here we are, and first thing that we would need to do right here is that we are going into our Play Store, and from here we're gonna download Kiwi Browser right here, and there it is. So from here we're gonna install this because this is where we will be using the plugin that we need to guard our profile. So now let's wait for it to install. It's very fast. Now there it is right there, and it's installing. And after that, let's go and open our Kiwi Browser right here, and now you want to continue right here. And from here, let's go back into Kiwi right here. So from here, we're gonna go Chrome Web Store, search for it right here, Chrome Web Store. And now let's wait for it to finish. Chrome Web Store, just like that. Let's wait for it. And now it's here. Now let's go into Chrome Web Store. And from here, we are gonna go for Facebook Guard right here. Facebook Profile Guard. So from here, search in the store, Facebook Profile Guard, just like that. And then you want to go here to go and search it. And now it's loading, currently loading right there. And let's just wait for it. And now we have these three results, and we want to go for this one right here. So make sure you go for this. So tap on it. And from here, tap on Add to Chrome. And after that, click on OK or tap on OK right there. And let's wait for it. Now it's there. Now all we have to do is go into our Facebook, log in our Facebook at facebook.com, and facebook.com because we are in mobile right here, and you need to provide your login details. So now after you have logged in just like this one, then you want to just go for this one now. And now from here, all we have to do is go tap on Not Now right here and just block this. I don't want that. And next again. Now all we have to do is just wait for it to finish right here, and I'll just skip for this one. I'll just skip because this is a new account. That is why this one is showing up right here. And after this, all we have to do is just go tap on next right there. And now we're here. We want to go tap on this one right here, and from here you want to go again tap on these three dots at the top right of your browser, and from here you want to tap on the profile guard for Facebook right here at the bottom. Tap on it, and from here you want to follow this instruction. So after this, we are currently logged in. So now let's tap on turn on right here. So tap turn on, and now as you can see, the shield has now been activated. And once you see that, then you should be able to see it in your profile. And let's just skip right here. So now let's go to Facebook app of our phone right here. You don't have to open it in a browser anymore. So open your Facebook app. And now once it's opened, you want to go into your profile. So tap here on your profile, just like that. And as you can see, we now have this guard icon right here, which means that others will not be able to see your details anymore, your posts or whatsoever, because you have it protected by guard, or your Facebook is basically locked. That's basically it for this video. I hope this video helped you out.
If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe button so that you won't miss our future updates. Thank you for watching.